some people still prefer keeping everything in one place, and that's exactly where Thunderbird comes into the conversation. When we talk about email clients in 2026, most users immediately think about browser-based platforms, but there's still a strong case for desktop software. So today, let's take a closer look at Thunderbird and see whether it's actually worth your time. Now, if you've never heard of it before, Thunderbird is a free, open-source email client developed by the team behind Mozilla Firefox. It's designed to help you manage multiple email accounts from one dashboard, and it works with providers like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, and even custom domain emails. That means instead of logging into different websites every time, you can simply open Thunderbird and access everything in one place, which makes things surprisingly efficient. Now, let's talk about features, because that's where Thunderbird really stands out. First, it supports multiple accounts in one unified inbox, which means you can see all incoming emails together or separately depending on your preference. On top of that, it includes powerful filtering and tagging tools, so you can organize messages automatically. And while you're managing emails, you can also use built-in calendar integration to schedule events and tasks without switching apps, which creates a more seamless workflow. Another major advantage is customization. Thunderbird allows you to install add-ons and themes, meaning you can extend its functionality or change its appearance. For example, you can add encryption tools for better security, productivity extensions for task tracking, or layout adjustments to match your style. This flexibility makes it feel more professional compared to basic webmail platforms. Security and privacy are another strong point, especially since Thunderbird focuses heavily on user control. It supports encryption standards and does not rely on ad-driven tracking, which can be reassuring if privacy matters to you. And because it's open source, its code is publicly reviewed, adding an extra layer of transparency. So when you put everything together, Thunderbird offers strong email management, solid customization, reliable performance, and enhanced privacy features. It may not look the flashiest, and it might require a bit of adjustment at first, but for users who want full control over their inbox, it delivers impressive value without costing anything. And that's why, depending on your needs, Thunderbird might actually be worth it. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.